All right, welcome back. We are in Khan Academy on quadratics, multiplying and factoring. That's under the Algebra 1 course on Khan Academy. And we're looking at this skill, difference of squares. So here it tells us to factor as the product of two binomials. So here's a polynomial, degree 2 with a constant 4. You'll notice that x squared is a squared term, and 4 is a squared term. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is a difference. A difference is a subtraction problem, or it's the solution to a subtraction problem. So this is a difference of two squares, and we're going to solve for that. So in general, we've seen that if we take a squared minus b squared, where a and b are just constants, we can factor that into a plus b times a minus b, and we'll show that that's true. A times a is a squared, a times negative b is negative ab, b times a is ab, and b times negative b is negative b squared. You'll notice that negative AB plus AB cancels out, leaving us with a squared minus b squared. Those are the only terms left. So that works for any case, and this is a specific one where our first term is a variable and our second term is a constant. So we're going to have, in parentheses, the first term, the square root of that, right? Square root of a squared is a. So the square root of x squared is x. We're going to add the square root of our second term, which is 2. Then we're going to put the square root of our first term, and we're going to subtract the square root of our second term. And that one's done. All right, next one. Here they're giving it to us in a new way. We've got the rectangle below. Has an area of x squared minus 9. Area of a rectangle is length times width, or height times width. So we've got the length here that we don't know. They want to know what expression could represent that length. Well, whatever we don't know here times x minus 3 has to equal x squared minus 9. Well, we just saw if this is a difference of squares, then its factors are going to be the first term square rooted, x, minus the second term square rooted, 9, the square root of 9 is 3, times this same thing except with a plus sign in the middle. So we've got x plus 3, x plus 3. So x plus 3 times x minus 3 is x squared minus 9. Next question. Factor as the product of two binomials. Once again, we've got a squared term minus another squared term, so we take the square root of each of them. We get x plus 8 times x minus 8. And here we've got a rectangle with an area of x squared minus 144. Both of those terms are square. So if this side length is x plus 12, then the other one must be x minus 12. And we're done.